This 2024 Winnebago Ekko 22A is a Class C RV. It is located in Forest City, Iowa, 50436 and is offered for sale by Lichtsinn RV. Click the link in the video description to visit RVUSA.com and see more photos as well as the current price. This new Winnebago is 23 feet 0 inches in length and features a Veredis with Slate Cabinetry interior, sleeps 2, and 50 gallons fresh water capacity. The floor plan layout of this Class C features front entertainment, loft, outdoor kitchen, rear bath, rear bedroom. This 2024 Winnebago Ekko 22A is built on a Ford AWD Transit chassis. Remember, this is an AI-generated video of one of thousands of classified listings on RVUSA.com. If you're interested in this unit, visit the link in the video description to view more photos and the current price, or reach out to the seller.